ito ang ingredients natin for our marble cheesecake tart. We have the milk chocolate, gelatin powder, thickened cream, custard sugar, our Philly marble milk, and I use the 2 packs of Oreo cookies. So ito na siya with 100 grams of unsalted butter, and then you crush the Oreo with the butter, and then lagay natin dito sa ating pan para maging base ng ating. So ito na yung ating base for our marble cheesecake tart. I-chill natin ng 30 minutes, and then magpo-proceed tayo sa next procedure ng iba nating ingredients. So, na-melt na natin yung ating 50 grams na milk chocolate, and then i-set aside lang natin to cool down the 2 teaspoon na gelatin powder, and we will dissolve it in 2 teaspoon boiling water. We'll mix our custard sugar and our marble Philadelphia dairy milk marble. And then our custard sugar. Pause. We'll put our gelatin. Oh, should have not. Gelatin and the cream. And then put in the cream about 300 grams. So this is our base, and then we will pour in our mixture. And then we will put the melted chocolate. So I just pour the melted chocolate like this and just swirl it wherever. It's not perfect, but I'm not very good in this chocolate swirl that I created. And then we will chill this again for 30 minutes. So this is our caramel cheesecake tart.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep.